It's Kent here at Flying A Motorsports in Scott City, Missouri. Today we're going to be making a really quick trip around this one because it's about 300 degrees out here and pretty wore out from the heat, so don't call me unless your wife has already approved this purchase, please. So let's take a look. Under the hood of this bad girl, you got a 550 Cummins. It's got a 30,000 pound towing capacity and a Freightliner easy shift, so she'll be ready to rock. Okay, you can see down the side, this one actually has some stainless steel baggage compartments and fenders. All the drive tires are 2026s, so those are nice and fresh, ready to rock. You can see coming around the back, we already have the slide out. So this is a triple slide, has a rear slide, and then has a bedroom slide, and then the main dinette slide in the kitchen. And you'll see that whenever we go inside. Here's your hitch. On the driver's side, you can see the two slides are out. There's your bedroom, there's your dinette. The generator's also running. It's got a 12.5 generator, nice and quiet. And as nice as this one is, it is wrapped, it's not painted. So if you want this to be white, the wrap could be pulled off. All right, let's get out of this heat and check out the inside. Right when you walk inside, you're gonna see your fridge here. This is actually an LP or electric fridge, so you can still use it going down the road. Also has a freezer, ice maker. Coming up to the front of the coach, here's your main slide here, your dinette slide. So this one has a table. The table actually folds out, has two more chairs in the back, so you can have the whole family eating around here. Plenty of overhead storage. You got storage down below the table here. This actually folds out to a bed. You also have a curtain up front, so you can close that off from the sun and the heat. Here's all your generator controls, slide controls, water pump. Your water heater is LP or electric, and this one actually has the LP tank on the side with a quick disconnect. So if you guys want to have a grill or something, have a little grill out at the campground or the racetrack, you can do that. Here's a desk up front. This folds out. You can have a keyboard, computer. More overhead storage. Moving back a little bit, you got your kitchen area. So here's your stainless steel sink, all granite countertops, along with your true induction stove and Samsung microwave. So this one is a large mid bath. So when you're walking back, you got a door right here. Here's your sink, countertop area. Here, all these open up. You got plenty of places to put all your toiletries and everything else you need. You got a corner shower, a skylight, so plenty of natural sunlight. To your right, you got your washer and dryer. Still get your laundry done on the road. And right here, you got your bathroom. So here's the rear bedroom. This is that rear slide, pretty much a closet slide, and then there's your bedroom slide. You got plenty of storage back here for all your clothes and everything. Got your nice king size bed. Another generator start, some light switches, and believe it or not, you got the ceiling fan. As you can tell, this coach is in pretty good shape. It's only got 51,000 miles. So if this is something you may be interested in, give us a call here at Flying A Motorsports in Scott City. My name's Kenton Pope, and I hope y'all have a blessed day. We'll see ya.